What up, you guys? It's the Tech Playoffs, and we back with another video. I know it's been a minute since I did one of these videos, but just to give you guys a quick update, I no longer have my S24 Ultra. I traded it in for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is an amazing device. I do not regret the trade-in. I also sent back my Z Fold 6. Another great phone, but for me, it just wasn't worth it. So I picked this up. This is a big boy phone, amazing device, new design, feels great in the hand. Just a spoiler alert, I don't know if I'm gonna make a one on this because there's so many videos already out, but this phone has best in class display, one of the best cameras, also in video, great design in the hand. You could hold this phone naked all the time with no case and it feels amazing. You get nice grip on the side because of these glossy rails. It's not slippery. So at least for me, I like to rock my phones naked, but if I do put a case on it, it's gonna be a real thin case, something not too thick, very minimal. And I have one of those cases for you here today. But like I said, this is the phone I've been using. It's been amazing. I don't know if I'm gonna do a video on it yet. I've had it for a couple weeks, but it's great. If you're thinking about getting one and if you can get a trade-in deal, I would do it. I would pull the trigger because this phone is one of the best phones, if not best phone of the year, at least for me. I know iPhone 16 still to come out. I'm not an iPhone hater, but I'm kind of done with iPhones for a little bit. I just think, to me, they're boring. Same software, nothing's changed. Yes, they've added a couple different UI changes with iOS 18 this year, but to me, this software is just boring to me. So I choose Android, at least for now. And like I said, I've been having an amazing experience. Even with my S24 Ultra, that phone is a customizable king. You can customize this as well. You just have to throw a different launcher on it. That way it gives you more functionality in terms of adding icon packs and stuff like that. But everything's great so far, no complaints. This is my phone for the year, a phone of the year, at least for right now. And I have no regrets. So I'm doing this video because PITAKA did send me out some cases. They sent me one out for the Z Fold 6, but I did send my Z Fold 6 back before I got this case. But I'm gonna show it to you guys real quick. This is the Z Fold 6 PITAKA case. It is a carbon fiber, real thin, minimal case. Gives you pretty good protection, not max protection, but it gives you a little lip on top on the top of the screen, and one right above, a little bit above the camera housing. This does add functionality. Like I said, it gives you MagSafe, which is great to have. You can add battery packs, wallets, MagSafe mounts, all those great things. But they, like I said, it did send me out this case. I did have to send back my Z Fold 6 before I was able to put it on, but great case. I'm not saying that because they sent it out. I'm saying that because when I had my S24 Ultra, I paid money for a PITAKA case with the MagSafe ring, and it was an amazing experience and a great buy. So I'm gonna put that to the side because, like I said, I don't have my MagSafe ring right now, but I do have the one for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is the phone I'm using now. Excited to pop this on. As you can see, great showcase on the packaging, real nice. Nothing comes with, of course, nothing extra, just a case, but I like the way it slides out. I like the image on front, just the way it looks, very nice. PITAKA, great job. This is the finger grip case. I'm sorry, the finger grip MagSafe that comes. They sent me this one with the Z Fold 6, but it does work with all the PITAKA cases. And like I said, I had one from before. This is PITAKA as well, when I bought my S24 Ultra case. So this does have MagSafe as well. And like I said, this is the Pixel 9 Pro. So I'm gonna pop it on. Make sure all four corners are in. So keep pushing it till you get a nice little snap. And as you can see there, you get a nice little protection above the camera, a real small lip, but it's there. You get the MagSafe ring here, so you can add MagSafe accessories. Pretty sweet. You can use that as a finger grip or also a stand. unlock it here. As you can see, like I said, you do get a small little lip on the corners to give you a little bit of protection if you want to put it screen down. I never do that to my phones. I've always just lay it on his back. But if you're someone that does do that, you do get a little bit of a lip right there to protect the screen from getting scratched. It's real slim. It feels great in the hand. It actually feels like you have no case on it. It's real thin. So it feels like I had, like when I was using the phone without a case. I just gave it a little wipe down there, as you can see. Looks real clean. Wipe down the front, so you get that full experience. And to me, it looks clean. It doesn't come with screen protectors or anything like that, but you can always get those on your own. You have the cutouts right there for the bottom, the microphone and the speaker. You have a little cutout on top for another. I think that's a noise cancellation mic, and then the buttons on the side. So pretty nice. Good presentation. Like I said, this magnet is real strong. You can even hear it when it clamps onto the little MagSafe ring. Pretty good. This is nice, man. This combination right here is nice. This is what I'm going to be using. I do, like I said, I did have the Google case. It's pretty nice in terms of protection and thickness. It is a little slippery, to be honest, in terms of when you're gripping it. And the worst thing on this, I don't want to bash it too much because it is a good case. It grabs too much dust. No matter if I have this in my pocket or just sitting on a table, over time when I look at my screen, all around the borders is nothing but dust. This is a dust magnet, so I'm gonna send this back. I don't like that. I always have to wipe down my screen because of this case, but good protection. Just for me, it's too much dust. So I'm gonna throw that to the side. This is what I'm gonna be rocking. PITAKA, like I said, did send it out, but in my past, I purchased these on my own, and they have been great products. No complaints at all. Very minimal case, but it still gives you that comfort of having protection on the back of the phone or open cutouts, and it just looks great. And like I said, it gives you that function of putting on MagSafe accessories. So just a quick video. Like I said, I just want to show you guys, give you guys an update on what I've been using. I know it's been a while since I did a video, but this is my main phone. This is what I'm going to be using most likely for the rest of the year. I'm going to skip the iPhone this year. This is going to be my main device. I'm going to rock it with the finger MagSafe grip thing here. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you the cases that PITAKA sent out to me. And like I said, if you want to get one of these, I would go ahead, pull the trigger. You won't regret it. Great products, great function, and it's just great design. If you guys have any comments or concerns, shoot it in the comments down below, and we'll chat there. As always, thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for the support, and have a blessed day. Peace.